Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Car Camping 101. In this episode, we're gonna be talking to you beginner car campers. Yeah, you. We're gonna be helping you learn all the tricks and tips to help make your life a whole lot easier while car camping. Well, to get right into it, we're gonna answer the burning question of why car camp in the first place? I mean, think about it. We all have wonderful experiences tent camping as a kid, right? Right? Well, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not getting any younger. And one of my favorite things about car camping versus tent camping is the comfort that comes along with it and the ease. I mean, look at my rig. I just pulled up to camp, and while you're fumbling through the tent poles and the sleeping bags, my car's already ready to go. So what is car camping? It's not something just for vagabonds and hippies anymore. No, it's an awesome alternative to tent camping that comes with ease and comfort. First and foremost, your sleep arrangement is crucial. As you can see here behind me, I'm using the Luno mattress in its solo mode, and it was pre-set up before I even pulled up to my campsite. But every Luno mattress comes with two joined sides that can inflate for more comfort if there's two of you camping in the car. This setup is durable, comfortable, and compactable. Tip number 2, premeditated packing. Make sure you organize your stuff before you leave the house. Things like these storage bins really come in handy when going on your first car camping adventure. These inflatable cubes are perfect for not only stabilizing your inflatable mattress, but also double as a good lawn chair option. Another compact solution are chairs like this that pack down nice and tight to maximize your space in the vehicle, but still allow you to sit around the campfire. Another compactable option is a table like this one. A lot of companies are making them. This one's from REI, and they give for a stable surface for playing cards or eating a meal, and they're also easy to put up and take down. Puffy jackets, blankets, and sleeping bags are all good things to have while car camping. Again, they keep you warm at night, but they still pack up tight. Another tip is how to stay cool in your vehicle. A lot of times while car camping, it can be warm and you want to get a nice breeze in the vehicle, but then you got to deal with the bugs. Well, I highly recommend this product, which is a screen that goes right over your car window so that you can roll your window down and have that breeze without the bug bites. Airflow is huge when car camping. That's why, along with our screen, I highly recommend having a fan. This one comes with a sticky suction cup that'll stick right to any window in your vehicle. And if it gets dirty or dusty, it can be rinsed off with water. It also is powered by USB, so you can plug it into any power brick like this. All right, some tips around cooking while car camping. Remember, it's important that we maximize both our space and our time. So when it comes to meals, we don't have the luxury of carrying all of our spices and goodies to make the food better. Instead, think of simple meals, things like canned foods like chili, or maybe just add water like oatmeal. Or when it comes to your morning, instant coffee. A huge benefit though when car camping is you do get to bring things like a cooler. You can't do that if you're backpacking. And so another idea when it comes to food is pre-make your meals. Pack them in Tupperware and keep them cold in your ice chest. Making pancakes in the morning? Bring a pre-mixed package with all of your dry ingredients. When it comes to heating your food, of course it's everyone's dream to light a fire and sit around it and cook over the open flame. But the reality is a lot of places these days where you can car camp have restrictions around fires. And so that's where these other options come in handy. Now, if you're cooking something that needs a pot like this, a nice stove like this is a good option. It's a little bigger, it's a 2-burner, but it still folds up and it's compact. For the just add water stuff, I highly recommend the jet boil or something like that. Very small, and you can heat things up really quickly. And remember to have the right propane, a lighter, and a good set of utensils. Tip number whatever. You can't count on your headlights forever. Your car battery will die. So bring things like a headlamp or a lantern. There's a lot of variety here, but think battery or solar powered. It's a great way to set the vibe. Another tip for you while car camping, cash is king. Remember, a lot of the federal campgrounds and state parks, they're kind of old school and they only take cash, no plastic. And out here, I don't think you're gonna find an ATM. You don't wanna pull up to your campground and not be able to pay for your reservation. The last tip we have for you today is one of the principles of Leave No Trace. It's be prepared and plan ahead. Even if you don't know exactly where you're gonna end up parking for the night, at least search and look for the general area that you'll be and clue someone in, a friend, because the last thing you want is to get out in the middle of nowhere and have no cell service and no one knows where you are. Also, use resources like BLM lands and National Forest lands to find a free and secluded space. Google Maps is another great resource where you can download a pinned location to use when you're disconnected. You can also share that location with friends or family so people know where you are at all times. I'm right here, Mom. Hey, thanks for tuning in to this episode of Car Camping 101. We hope our tricks and tips were helpful for you. Use them your next camp trip and you'll be an expert in no time.